Vehicle design has changed dramatically over the years, but one thing that hasn't changed: your tires are still the only parts of your vehicle that actually touch the road. They impact ride quality, handling, braking performance, fuel economy, and safety. With so much at stake, having the right tires is essential. And maintaining the proper inflation, which minimizes tread wear, is the key to maximizing the life of the tires. When driving in wet road conditions, the more worn down your tire tread is, the more likely you are to hydroplane. Hydroplaning occurs when a layer of water builds between the tires and the road surface, leading to loss of traction and control. Because tire grooves help channel water out from underneath the tire when driving, they help keep more of the tire in contact with the road to minimize hydroplaning. To determine if a tire is too worn to be used safely, the depth of the tire tread is measured. This tire tread illustration helps show 3 important tread depth readings. The green zone represents a range of 6/32 of an inch or more tread depth. Once the tread is worn down to between 5 to 4/32, as indicated by the yellow zone, it's time to consider replacement. And when the tread is in the red zone, 3/32 or less, well, the tire needs to be replaced. When it's time to replace your tires, the good news is that you don't have to know all that technical stuff. Your Toyota Service Advisor can help you choose the best tire for your vehicle. Toyota offers exact replacements for the original tires your Toyota came with. Mounted and balanced by trained and certified Toyota professionals, all at a competitive price. If you have concerns about your tires, be sure to contact one of our knowledgeable service representatives to schedule an appointment to have your tires inspected or replaced.